Asawa, sigurado ka bang taga rito ka?
Oo naman.
Pag sure oy kasi barangay gwapo at maganda ang nakatira dito, dayo ka siguro asawa. Let's get this scooter shining.
You got it. I'll handle the chrome.
Great teamwork.
Almost done.
This is looking great already.
Yeah, it's shining. Great job.
Teamwork makes it fun.
All done. Asawa, okay na makintab na itabi na natin ang mga panlinis at magluluto na tayo.
Wala nang bigas, utang ka muna.
Bakit ako ang mangungutang? Pwede namang ikaw?
Ikaw lang asawa ang pwede samahan naman kita.
Sakay na.
Asawa, narito na tayo. Tingnan mo, nakasulat qualified ka, di ba?
Pasaway ka, asawa. Bumili na lang tayo. May budget pa naman tayo.
Ito na ang bigas ninyo, salamat. Salamat din. Halika na, asawa. It smells so good already.
Here are the spices.
Perfect. Pour them in.
The rice is almost done.
This smells amazing already.
It does. I'll add the herbs now.
Great. Don't forget to stir.
Adding them now.
Perfect. Wow, this is so good.
Right? The seafood is so fresh.
Perfect.
Have some more.